Hello again, everybody. This is what we're going to make today. Now, for this, as you see, it's a dove, and he at the bottom, hanging from him, are the flames, such as we heard about in the story. And the dove represents the Holy Spirit, and each flame is one of the gifts he gives us. So this is what he's going to look like, except yours would be better because you'll decorate yours much more than I've managed to decorate mine so far. For this activity you will need a paper plate, and that's it really. Bit of string, a few more bits of string or cotton, there we are, all about the same length, the string a bit longer. And you will need some sticky tape, some scissors and some coloured pens. Now, the first thing you do when you've got your plate is we're going to make his wings and his body. Now, to do this, the quickest way is to fold in each side of the plate like that. So one side like that, and then the other side like that to the middle. It doesn't matter if it overlaps a little bit. So you've got it like that. Okay. Now those two flaps are the wings. Now you can straight away cut those off. You'll see why in a minute. So I'm going to very quickly cut each wing, and then in the middle part of the plate, which you will have left, you will have the body of the dove. So you'll need your pen to do the outline. If you're not sure, do it in pencil first, but I will do it straight away for speed. A head at the top of the head will go there, then the body, and then that bottom part of the plate will be his tail. So a round head, and then a oval body, and then a fan tail like that. You see, that's the sort of shape you'll need. So you cut him out again, and then you stick his wings on. So I will cut him out. I'm doing this very quickly to hopefully show you how to do it. So if you're not sure about your drawing, if you're quite little, mummy or daddy or big brother or sister, I'm sure will do it for you. Do it in pencil first, but try to use the whole of the inside of the paper plate. So there we have the bird shape, and then all you have to do is stick on his wings, one side, one the other. You can use a stapler, or you can use a bit of sticky tape, which I will use for speed, to stick on his wings. And you can stick them both on together, slightly overlapping at the back, like that. Okay, so there we have our dove. Now, with the other bits of the paper here, you can cut lots and lots, as many as you like, of teardrop shapes. There we are, there's one. In fact, I'm folding it over, so I've got two together. That's a sort of teardrop shape, about that size. I've done two together to show you, like that, see? Now, on that teardrop, you are going to draw flames. You need about 6 or 7 of those, because they're going to represent the fruits of the Holy Spirit, the things that the Holy Spirit sent to the disciples, to his followers, and in fact to all of us. So make it look like a flame, and that means you put a red shape in the middle like that, and you can add orange and yellow and any colours you want to make it look like a flame, like that. Some orange as well. So do each of your flames like that one, and as I've done them here, you see, there's some flames. Can you see them on the teardrop shape? So do 6 or 7 of those, and then on each one on the back, write a word that you think that the Holy Spirit sent to us. So a word that represents what the Holy Spirit gives us. I've written things like love. So love on the back of one, and what's another one I've written here? love and strength and understanding and knowledge and wisdom. So I'll put wisdom because it's good to be wise, isn't it? All the things that you think the Holy Spirit has given us. So each one has a little label on it. Love, wisdom, and so on, each on the back of each one. Now, the next part is to hang these from your dove's wings. So can you see what I've done here? I'm not going to do it because it's not time, but you can see on a string, attach one end of the string to your flame and one end of the string to the back of the dove's wings, and I've done 3 on each side so they hang like that, and just stick them on as the back, and then stick on your piece of string, one on each side of each wing, and then you can hang it up in your window. And if you want to, you can decorate the wings and the dove. You could put some feathers on him, or you could just draw feathers on him and then hang him up in your window to remind you of what the Holy Spirit has given us and what he gave the disciples. Hope that's given you a good idea for your activity for this week. Look after yourselves. See you next week.